Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks dropped Thursday as Wall Street reacted to a mixed bag of corporate earnings, including disappointing results from Tesla. Investors also assessed fresh data that signaled a contracting economy. So far this earnings season, about 16% of companies in the S&P 500 have reported results, with about 76% beating EPS expectations, according to FactSet data as of Thursday. Many of Wall Street this season are bracing for an earnings decline. A general lack of profit forecast, however, has begun to concern some investors. All the major averages are on track for a week of losses and their worst weekly performances since March. The Nasdaq Composite tumbled 0.8%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost about 0.33%, while the S&P 500 lost 0.6%. The mounting concern over downward pressure on profit margins hurt Tesla shares as the electric vehicle maker cut prices on some of its cars during the recent quarterly period. The company posted a more than 20% decline in net income from a year ago after the bell on Wednesday. Shares fell about 10%. Other technology stocks showed signs of weakness. Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta Platforms and Apple all finished lower. Seagate Technology shares lost more than 9% after missing estimates and issuing disappointing guidance, citing weak demand. The real test may come next week as earnings season ramps up with a slate of results from big technology companies. And Fox News' Australian $1.2 billion payout to settle wide-ranging defamation claims by Dominion Voting Systems is still the talk of the town. But more evidence suggests that the eye-popping number might not be as costly to Rupert Murdoch's media empire as it might seem. Fox's stock has barely budged since the deal was announced on Tuesday, and the reason? Fox can take a tax deduction from the settlement. US tax law allows companies to write off at least some portion of settlement fees as part of doing the cost of business. Across the sectors, the energy sector was an area of market weakness as oil prices declined 2%. Some laggards included APA, Marathon Oil and Phillips 66. In commodity news, the Silver Institute stated that the silver market is facing a huge supply deficit as the global demand for silver rose by 18% in 2022 to a record high of 1.24 billion ounces. The Institute is also predicting a further undersupply of 142.1 million ounces in 2023. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.5% fall. Thank you for listening. Have a great weekend.